What's up, everybody? My name is Jtesmer. I'm a farmer's insurance agent here in Southern California, and today we're going to go over the top 7 ways that you can reduce your car insurance premium. Let's get into it. Number 1, add a good driver. So if you are a super young driver, like you're 16, 17, 18, or let's say you have a couple tickets or accidents on your record, if you add a good driver onto your policy, it can drastically reduce the price. And it doesn't matter who the driver is, as long as you know them, and they don't have to be on your policy. So let's say they're with company A and you're with company B, you can add their driver's license on your policy and it doesn't affect their premium or anything with their actual policy over here, but you will receive a massive discount. The reason being is just showing that you, as someone who's a little bit of a riskier driver, now added someone in your household who is a safe driver. Now you're considered in the eyes of insurance as a safer driver, and so it's going to drop your premium a lot. Number 2, job discounts. It pretty much doesn't matter what company you go with, but here with farmers, we have massive job discounts too. So basically what your college degree is, what your job is, and what you're retired from. Usually, so if you have the job that goes into one of those categories, then you receive between 5 and 15% off. So the job discounts are the ones that you would think that are normal job discounts. Doctor, lawyer, teacher, and then also the ones that you wouldn't think. And of course, I'm just naming these off the top of my head. There's probably about like 100 of them. Realtor, speech pathologist is one of them. Nurse, things like that. Pretty much if you have a bachelor's of science in anything, it counts as a scientist discount and you get about 15% off. So whatever company you're with, make sure you ask them, do you have any job discounts? Because you definitely could be saving a ton of money on your car insurance. And probably all you would have to do is actually prove that you actually do have that job. You need either the copy of the degree or like a state ID or badge or something showing that you do have that job, or a current employment letter. Number 3, change your mileage. So this doesn't happen for everyone, but a lot of people after COVID, they drive a lot less now and they haven't updated their miles. So if you're driving way less than before, make sure you call your insurance company and tell them like, hey, before you quoted me at 13,000 miles a year, I'm only driving maybe about 5,000 now, or even lower than that. So make sure you tell your insurance company that you are indeed driving lower. And a lot of times all you have to do is sign some paperwork and then you're good to go. And then that's the new mileage that you're quoted at. And recently, what I've seen, they don't require any documentation from the odometer or anything like that. So make sure you talk with your insurance agent, or you can give me a call and we'll make sure your miles are updated correctly. Number 4, an address change. So every zip code has a different rating for insurance. So if you live, so I'm in Southern California, right? So if you live in downtown LA, the premiums are going to be higher than if you live in Palm Springs. There's more accidents, there's more auto theft. Every zip code has a different rating system. So did you just recently move? Did you not tell your insurance company yet? Because if you moved, you might get cheaper insurance just based on your zip code. Number 5, you don't always have to go through insurance. And this is coming from me as an insurance agent, and this is the truth. So last week, this is a true story, I ran my bumper over the curb parking at a grocery store. And it kind of scratched the bottom, and then when I tried to back up, it pulled the front of the bumper off a little bit. It wasn't that bad, but my deductibles on my vehicle are $1,000. So if I wanted to go through insurance, I would have to first pay my $1,000 deductible, and then after that, that would count as a collision claim. That's my fault. So that would increase my premium for 3 years. So what I went ahead and did is I called my friend who's a mechanic, and he said he could probably fix it. I sent him some pictures, probably fix it for about $300. So I just paid him $300 to fix my car instead of paying my $1,000 deductible and having my rates go higher. And yes, this is coming from me as an insurance agent. So you don't always have to go through insurance. Look at how much your deductibles are, and did something minor happen? Did you scratch the paint? Is it like a tiny little fender bender, did you back up into something lightly, then you don't always have to go through insurance. But if you got into an actual accident and it's bad, yes, you need to go through insurance because that's what insurance is for. But if it's barely anything, you don't always have to go through insurance because A, you're gonna have to pay your deductible, and B, your rates are gonna go up for 3 years. Number 6, this is self-explanatory. Don't get into any accidents and don't get any tickets. So if you get a ticket, a speeding ticket, whatever, this is going to count as 1 point on your record. If you get into an accident that you caused and you didn't cause any bodily harm, that's going to also count as 1 point. As soon as you cause an accident that causes any bodily harm, even if it's $1 that the person had to go to the hospital, that's gonna count as 2 points. And as soon as you get 2 points on your record, within 3 years, your rates are going to skyrocket, okay? And so with farmers, your rates are gonna go up a bit, okay? We do really well with people who have had some accidents or some tickets. So don't get any tickets, don't get any accidents, and for sure don't cause any bodily harm because that's absolutely horrible. Remember, all tickets and accidents stay on your record for 3 years. So slow down, it's not worth it. Number 7, you need to bundle everything. Everybody falls into at least 2 categories, right? Unless you're a very young kid living with your parents. Either you're a renter or you are a homeowner. That way, those 2 are probably some of the best ways to bundle for your home insurance, your renter's insurance and also your home insurance. If you have an umbrella, if you have maybe a life insurance policy, bundle that together. Get everything in the same company, and all the bundling affects all of the policies. So it's not just your auto that's going to go down. The auto will also bundle with the life policy, which will make it go down, or it'll bundle with the umbrella, or it'll bundle with the home. And they all affect each other, so it just goes down. Okay, everybody, so that's 7 ways that you can save on your auto insurance. And so if you'd love a quote from me, you can go ahead and email me or call me. My information is below. I'd love to talk to you and see how we can figure out how to save you money. And I look forward to hearing from you. And until next time, thank you.